How's it going, guys? Mcfgotmillk here. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to clean the interior of your windshield. But to get an understanding of what I mean by clean it, I'm going to show you what it looks like at nighttime and daytime of how dirty it is and how filmy and blurry it gets. As you can see how blurry it is at night? It shows a little bit better when we go under these street light here. See all the streaks? See how kind of foggy it is? Plus, if you look during the day, I know it's a little rainy, excuse me for that, but you can see how it's shining back. It's so blurry. If I was to touch it, if you can see it, it's just, you can see the filth and the mud in it. You can see my fingerprint. So I'm gonna show you how to clean this thoroughly. So with that being so filthy dirty and you can see everything, draw finger lines on it, I'm gonna show you what you have to use to clean it with. What you're gonna need is microfiber towels. Make sure you get a good amount of them. I have a 10-pack. That's a good deal, $7 because it's less than $1 a towel, so that's good. Warm water, a Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. I learned this from Chris Fix. If you guys don't know who he is, I'll put him in the description. And then last but not least, you need your favorite cleaner. I'm just gonna use a simple glass cleaner. So, without further ado, let's get into it. First things first is to use a microfiber towel and then in circles, just wipe off all the grease, all the quick dirt and grease. This is gonna be the first step on how to thoroughly clean it. So you wanna make sure that you get all the grease and dirt off beforehand. And again, make sure you get deep down. Again, this is your car, your windshield. You do exactly what you wanna do and how thorough. Once again, it's up to you to see, look how filthy it is now. See it here? And see how after I wiped it down on this side? Again, it shows it for miles how clean you can get this thing. Now that you used step one, this towel is done, because you do not want to reuse a dirty towel. And again, another thing from Chris Fix that I actually learned is if it touches the dash, don't use it because this already has oil and dirt on it. So if you drop it on this and you use it again, you're just smearing it right back onto the windshield. Here's step two. This is the important part that I learned, again, like I said in the beginning of the video about Chris Fix. What you want to do is you want to get a Mr. Clean Magic Sponge. There's a certain ingredient that is able to wipe off the grease and degrease. So what you want to do is you want to dip it in some warm water. Just dip it in the warm water, that's all. And we're gonna just simply wring it out. What you're gonna want to do is go in circular motions with the Mr. Clean pad, because what it's gonna do is it's gonna pick up all that dirt and grease, and it's gonna completely degrease your windshield. And then of course, right afterwards, take a clean microfiber towel and wipe it down, because you do not want that to dry onto your windshield and have the grease just thoroughly stay on there. So you just want to quickly, nicely and cleanly wipe off all the water. Once it's nice and clean, it already looks clean, doesn't it? Compared to that, how much more shinier it is. Once you fully get all the water off, the next step is to use your favorite cleaner. Do not spray it thoroughly on because it will get absolutely everywhere and it will like leave marks and discolor it when it's left in the sun. So what you're gonna wanna do is you wanna take this, spray it on your microfiber towel, and then wipe it as so. Take your towel, put some spray on it, and then clean her down. Just make sure you get every little nick and cranny because you want your windshield sparkly clean. And remember, this is your windshield, not mine, so I'm gonna do a thorough job on mine. Once again, circular motions at the start. Circular, circular, circular. Make sure you get deep down, and then you're gonna wanna flip it over on the clean part and up and down motions. And then once you do that, it is crystal clear. This is the one side that I did do. This is the side that I did not do. Again, you can see the smudge and you can draw on it. See that right there? You can just draw on it, and then you can still see the types. And then once it gets over to here, it looks like I'm not even looking through glass unless you see the water there. Boom. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe for more. I hope this did help because this is actually a very good method and trick on how to thoroughly clean the inside of your windshield. So make sure you drop a like and subscribe like I said. Make sure you follow my Twitter and Instagram for more. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.